I'm going to be showing you how to generate custom 3D icons for your design. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So Canva's AI can help you create custom 3D design icons from text prompts using Magic Media. You just need to open Canva app on your iPhone and sign in. Once you're here, you just need to look at the top right where you can see the plus icon. Just tap here, and once you've done so, you have multiple options here. Just tap on a new design, or you can open an existing one. It's completely up to you. And once you're here, you just need to scroll sideways till you find apps right there. And now you just need to search for Magic Media. So just tap here, and now just describe what you like to create. So you can say a glossy 3D shopping cart icon, and then just tap on generate images. So as you can see, now you have a 3D icon for your design. So you could just add the icon to your design and resize or reposition it as needed, and then just download it. So that's how easy it is. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.